Hey everybody, my name is Damon Thomas, one of the co-founders of Quiq Labs, a technical and creative studio in downtown Fresno. Today we had a special session where we were teaching videography and video editing fundamentals for the Fresno Area Hispanic Foundation's Womanpreneur event that's coming up. So they tasked us with actually teaching that marketing component. So we had a live group of people where we could actually walk them through the basic practices and fundamentals and approach to video editing for the competition.
My name is Heidi Puerta and I am a small business development specialist for the Fresno Area Hispanic Foundation. So the Womanpreneur program is an 8-class course for participants, women owners who would like to learn more about marketing and then loan readiness, as well as how to pitch a business. And we offer them a lot of resources that way they can learn to manage their business with confidence.